Wow, look, it's crazy. Yesterday was sunny, but today is snowing. So the weather here changed a lot. So today I will leave Aktau and then take train to Uzbekistan. Right now it's 11 a.m. So my train is about 1 p.m. Here is. I'm leaving.
Okay.
Mr. Rajab.
Sajjad.
Yes, Sajjad from India.
Yes.
A blogger. He is editing his videos. So later I will take my luggage and then go to the train station. The room is good, I think. Only me and Sajjad. We live here. Okay, I have to take my luggage well. Now I'm going.
Everything you take?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, bro. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Take care, okay?
Have a good time in Baku, Azerbaijan. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, bro. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Now it's 11:10, so I would like to go to the restaurant I used to go yesterday and the day before yesterday. So it's quite good there. It's a little bit cold. Oh my god. It's totally different from yesterday. Oh, but it's Kazakhstan. So you have to know the weather here is very different from China. I used to be in Belarus, so I know usually in spring there all the time raining and snowing. So right now in Kazakhstan I think everything is similar. So right now I would like to go to the restaurant, but I have to eat as fast as possible because my train is about 1:30, so I have to take bus to the train station. Okay, right now let's go to the restaurant. Okay, here I am. Hiva. I see. Uzbekskaya kuchnia. It means kitchen from Uzbekistan. That is why I think the food is a little bit special and different from the local Kazakhstan. So the chef is from Uzbekistan. So later I will go to Uzbekistan. Look, here it is. Let's have a look. The smile inside is really good. Okay, let me see what I will order for today. This look really delicious. So right now I put my luggage down and order some food. Let me sit here. Here is okay. First, let's try the shashlik. Oh. Very good, very delicious. Let's try the soup. Oh, right now it's 11:30, so I have to eat as fast as possible. Okay, let's go. Okay, just have my lunch. Right now I'm going to the train station, but outside it's really cold. Maybe 1 hour ago it was okay, I think. when I was walking on the street, everything was fine, but now I think it's getting harder and harder. Oh my god. It's really cold. The bus station is 2 kilometers from me, but I hate this weather. I really hope I could get the train. Okay, there is the bus station. I think it's coming. 105. Oh, be quick. Okay, I think I can catch the train on time. No problem. Many people in the bus. Okay, it's good. I have a seat. Right now it's 12:15, so I will be in train station before 1 p.m. Okay, here I am. What's up? It means train station. So I will take train from here to Beyneu, another city in Kazakhstan. But I will not stay there a very long time. And then take train from Beyneu to Nukus, Uzbekistan. So I will be in Uzbekistan tomorrow. Okay, let's go to the train station. Okay, let's go inside. I will take this train to Beyneu firstly. Beyneu is still in Kazakhstan, but very near to Uzbekistan. Actually, it's the first time for me to take train in Kazakhstan. Before I used to take train in Belarus and Russia. The trains were slow but quite comfortable, I think. Right now it's about 1 o'clock, so I will be in Beyneu around 11 p.m. Okay, right now already in the wagon. I think it's totally same as Belarus and Russia. Here is my seat. The whole area is for me. So I check my ticket. I will be in Beyneu in the night around 11 p.m. Oh my god. It's a long trip, I think. I think it's very nice and convenient that you can charge your phone and the power bank in the train. But in China you cannot. I think China should learn it from Kazakhstan. There are still 20 minutes before the train gets started, so let me take a rest firstly. Okay, right now the train is moving. I think it's quite a long trip. It's about 10 hours, so just enjoy the view outside of the window. finally, after 10 hours trip in the train. So right now I already arrived at the train station of Beyneu. I meet a Kazakh man who is working in the train. Right now he wants to buy a present for me. Seems they don't have such things in that mini shop. I'm not sure what kind of present they want to buy for me. Okay, right now we will go to the next one. So let's go inside, take a look.
Вот это казахстанский шоколад.
Молодец.
Да.
Хорошо. Сколько?
Да, я сам оплачу. Я сам оплачу.
Very interesting man from Kazakhstan. He bought a chocolate for me. Anyways, thank you very much for his present. He is very helpful, and right now he accompanied with me to the waiting room for next train to Uzbekistan. Okay, right now I arrived at the train station in Beyneu. I have to wait here until 4 o'clock in the morning, so it's about, I think, 5 hours. Not so long time, so I think everything will be fine. So I met a friend in the train. He is a policeman actually. Right now it's a little bit late, so I have to wait inside. So inside is quite warm. Outside is very cold now. Okay, my second time of trip in Kazakhstan finished here. After several hours, I will take train to Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a new country for me. It will be the 75th country I visit. So today just ends filming here.